Folks, I have a beautiful little alto ukulele today. This is for our long-term customer and friend Louise. It's got a beautiful curly walnut back and sides, or I just love the sapwood. And it's got my shop-made rope binding that's got a random layout of wood chunks there. And an Engelmann spruce top. Engelmann's a little bit new for me. It's a high-altitude spruce. This is really fine-grained and beautiful rays in it. It's just because it's so light-colored, it's hard to get the video to show it very well. And Texas ebony for all the front stuff, and spruce and walnut neck. So Louise has a few challenges physically for her instruments, so I'm really trying to nail that stuff to make it easier for her to play. First up, we've got really light tension strings, really low action, and a flat fretboard. That's what she prefers. And the neck, we're copying her Martin neck that she plays often. It's an instrument I've worked on for her, actually. So I went to my Martin to try to get this thickness the same. And also she needs some really bright white large fret dots for her vision. So these are actually colored pencil lead fret dots. I got that from Frank Ford, I believe. And I think it's a good way to make it happen. It could be any color, really, but white is what was best for this. So, and I tend to play hard. I tend to play with high action. So an instrument like this, I really have to be my gentlest self. But the rewards are great. Playing softly, I'm getting lots of big tones, and I appreciate that. Yeah, feels good. So that's number 697. Cheers.